In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and send data to Zapier Webhooks in 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a working webhook trigger in Zapier and a successful test payload flowing into it, ready for anything you want to automate. Start by logging into your Zapier account. On the dashboard, click the Create button and choose Zap to open a fresh workflow. In the trigger search bar, type webhooks and select Webhooks by Zapier. For the trigger event, choose Catch Hook, then click Continue. This option gives you a unique URL that listens for incoming data. Zapier will generate a custom webhook URL. Copy it and keep it handy. This is the exact endpoint you'll send data to. Treat it like a secret key for your workflow. Don't share it publicly. Click Continue, and you'll see Zapier waiting for a test. That just means it's listening for a request so it can pull in a sample. Now send a simple HTTP post request to that URL. You can do this with a tool like Postman, a command line, using curl, your web browser via a testing add-on, or directly from the app you plan to connect if it supports webhooks. Make sure you use the post method and set the content type header to application JSON. In the body, include a small JSON payload, something like sample field, hello, number 123. Keep it simple and avoid real personal data when testing. Once you've sent the request, switch back to your Zapier tab and click Test Trigger. Zapier should confirm it found a request and show the data you just sent. You'll see your fields neatly parsed, which is what you'll map into your action later. If nothing appears, resend your test and double check that you posted to the exact URL, used post, and included valid JSON with the right header. From here, you can proceed to set up whatever action you want. Send an email, add a row to a spreadsheet, post to chat, or update a CRM using the fields from your webhook as inputs. When your action is configured and you've verified the mappings, turn your Zap on to activate it. Consider giving it a clear name so you can find it easily later. That's it. You logged in, created a Zap, selected webhooks by Zapier with Catch Hook, copied the unique URL, sent a test JSON payload, verified the trigger, and turned your Zap on once your action was ready. You're now set to receive data from